Okay, so since we're all in lockdown, I thought I'd do my first cooking video. Been wanting to do cooking videos for a while, and won't be going to Bali this year, so I thought I'd show you how I make my own chicken satay. It tastes almost like the ones I get in Bali. Not quite. I'm going to work on a little bit, and this is my first attempt. So let's see how we go. Okay, so we've got our ingredients laid out. We've got the chicken thigh fillets. I like chicken thigh fillets because they've got like a bit of fat in there, so you get more flavour. Got just a basic satay sauce, satay marinade. And this is what makes it Indonesian. You got the what's called kecap manis, and it's like the sweet soy sauce that the Indonesians use. I'm going to use a little bit of lime juice and some peanut butter. Just some peanut butter, some smooth peanut butter, and I'm going to use some metal skewers. I like the metal ones because they're reusable and sustainable and that sort of thing. So, and you don't get splinters. Okay, so let's get stuck into it. Okay, so let's get the chicken. Start cutting it up. I like to cut it up in fairly chunky like this, and then just go lengthwise and across. So about like that. So it's at about 2 inches by 1 inch. So get the rest of this done. Okay, so that's all the chicken done. Let's put it in the bowl and we'll start to marinate it. There we go. Okay, let's add a bit of the satay sauce. This satay marinade. What I tend to do actually, I to put the marinade in first. You get that all mixed up. That should be enough. That's plenty. I do it by feel. There's no real measuring done here. I just do it by feel and taste. So whatever you like the best. Like it fairly sweet. One last ingredient. Another ingredient I forgot to mention, the sweet chili sauce. Now, I like it fairly sweet. I like a bit of a contrast between like the satay and the chili and sweetness. So you might want to put chili flakes in yourself, but I quite like it like that. And put a bit of peanut butter in. Put some of this in. About that much. That looks about right. A little bit of lime juice. And just add a little bit of salt and pepper for seasoning. Freshly ground, of course. Use like sea salt or Himalayan rock salt and ground peppercorns. Let's mix that all up together. Ready for our chicken. Get the last bit of satay off the fork. Beautiful. To get your hands dirty. There we go. Now I tend to go on the sort of cautious side of not being too hot, because you can always add spice to it, but you can't take it away. So always err on the cautious side and just put a little bit of chili in. And then if people love chili more, you just add a bit more chili. Okay, so we'll just cover that with a bit of cling wrap and just put it in the fridge. I don't tend to leave it for too long. I'm sure the longer you leave it, the better it will taste, but the barbecuing gives it a lot of flavour anyway, so I just put it in for like 20 minutes to half an hour. In the meantime, we'll fire up the grill. Okay, through the power of magic of YouTube, we're ready to skewer these. So we'll get these out and some skewers. Start threading these on. So what I tend to do is I'll put it in there and then I'll fold it and skewer it again. So you want to be skewered at least twice. It's a bit more difficult with the camera here. Camera's sort of in the way, I need to sort of avoid it. But you get the idea. That's why I sort of make them a bit big, because if you make them too small you can't really skewer them twice. And also when you cook these they'll shrink down a bit too, so make them too small and you've got little tiny bits of chicken. So it's best to make them a little bit thicker. They'll become more juicy, they won't dry out as much as well. And I'll show you my special barbecue technique that I use to cook these. Alright, doing well. So if you're a kid, don't do this yourself, because you could hurt yourself and stab yourself on a skewer, so get your mum or dad to do this for you. Don't want any accidents. Okay, so these are all ready to go. Let's go out to the barbecue. Okay, here we are. We've got these sautés ready to go. So what I'll do is I put them on. Ooh, yeah, it's sizzling nicely. These hot rocks are working really well. So if you don't know what I did, I actually upgraded my barbecue and put hot rocks, lava rocks, and I'll put a link up there so you can go have a look at that later on. Yes, that's sounding a lot better. I'm liking that. So what I usually do is I just basically sear them first, and then I'll put them on this part of the grill here, and I'll close the lid and just let them sort of bake, and I find it turns out really nice. It's coming up nicely. So I just want a bit of caramelization, because you've got the sweet soy sauce as well. That's causing it to have a tendency to burn. So we keep moving it around, and that should be enough flavour. So I just sort of use the grill part just to get a bit of flavour going, and then I'll put them up here in this section. And this is usually where you like a meat, what do you call it, warmer. I use it to cook. That's it. Leave it in there for 20 minutes or so. Now keep turning it every 5 minutes. A little better in person. Not quite capturing it on the camera yet. Alright, see you in 5 minutes, guys. Okay, these are ready, I reckon. Now tell when your chicken's ready, you can just feel it. You can feel how firm it is. Like when you got raw chicken, it's very spongy, and then it hardens up as it cooks. So a little bit of experience. I've got a lot of experience cooking chicken, and these ones are ready. And these are beautiful. You don't want to cook them till they're dry. Okay, so these are ready to take off the skewer. Now I tend to take them off the skewers, and since they're metal skewers they might be hot, so I'll use like a little cloth here, wet cloth, to hold the skewer while I take them off. Yeah, we've got a beautiful, yeah, juicy that is. Let's have a taste test. That's so nice. So I tend to like it like this. You can leave them on the skewers if you like, but you sort of have some rice, whatever you like, some salad. It's just like just a nice easy base that you can create a meal from. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my first cooking video. That's my Indonesian satay. So I get cravings for it sometimes. So I decided to make some the other day, and I thought I'd share the recipe with you, and hopefully you try it out yourself and you enjoy it too. And I'll see you next time, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like my recipe, thumbs down if you didn't, and if I get enough thumbs up I might do some more recipes. Okay, cheers.